Are you tired of being constantly bitten by mosquitoes? Do you want to learn how to get rid of these pesky insects once and for all? In this video, we will be discussing the science behind mosquitoes and the method that have been proven to be effective in getting rid of them. Keep watching to find out how to finally say goodbye to those annoying mosquito bites. Before proceeding ahead, make sure to subscribe to this awesome channel and hit the bell icon. Mosquitoes are a common pest that can make outdoor activities unbearable. These insects are not only annoying, but they can also carry diseases such as West Nile virus, dengue fever and Zika virus. To effectively get rid of mosquitoes, it is important to understand their biology. Mosquitoes are attracted to carbon dioxide, body heat and the chemicals in our sweat. Female mosquitoes also require blood in order to lay eggs. Numerous scientific studies have been conducted to find the most effective methods for getting rid of mosquitoes. A study published in the Journal of Medical Entomology found that the use of mosquitoes nets and screens can significantly reduce the number of mosquitoes in an area. Another study published in the Journal of Environmental Health found that the use of insect repellent can effectively reduce the number of mosquito bites. Now here are the methods to get rid of mosquitoes. Mosquito nets and screens. Installing a mosquito nets and screens on windows and doors can prevent mosquitoes from entering your home. Insect repellent. Using an insect repellent containing DEET, picaridin or IR3535 can effectively repel mosquitoes and reduce the number of bites. Eliminate standing water. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in standing water, so it is important to eliminate sources of standing water around your home, such as bird baths, flower pots and gutters. Use fans. Mosquitoes are weak flyers and can be discouraged by the wind created by fans. Try natural repellents. Using natural repellent such as citronella, lemon, eucalyptus and lemongrass can provide a more natural alternative to chemical insect repellents. In conclusion, mosquitoes can be effectively controlled through the use of mosquito nets and a screen, insect repellent, elimination of standing water using fans and natural repellents. By following these methods, you can finally say goodbye to those annoying mosquito bites. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more helpful tips and tricks for life problems.